Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in Popshelf. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So today I'm back in Popshelf. I'm taking you with me and we're going to look at all things summer. So for those of you who are not familiar with Popshelf, it is Dollar General's newest store and they have a lot of items you can find at Dollar General plus so much more. It is sort of like a home decor and Five Below and Dollar General mashup, and I love it. So they definitely are still summer in here. Look at these wooden rings. They are so cute. $5, that's an amazing price. So I'm gonna cover all of the summer items here up front and then we're gonna go straight to decor. They have some amazing pieces. Now they also have all things summer for the kids. So if you have someone to entertain, maybe you've got a visitor, a little one, you're babysitting, I'm telling you, this is the place to find any form of entertainment. I thought that this sprinkler snake was amazing for $5. They also have some collapsible buckets for $5 and everything in between, from pool toys to bubbles to hula hoops, pools, floats, and anything you need to stay cool and entertained in the summer. They have a ton of tumblers and drink options. They also have a lot of floats. I mean, there's one for everyone. They also have a few beach towels. I did find that their beach towels were a little bit pricey. Some of them were $10, some of them were $12. So you can find them for less in other places, but these floats are so cute. Great little novelty gifts, especially if there's a birthday in the summer that you know of. They also have lots of fun, stylish options for summer, from hats to visors, earrings, kimonos, little bags. I thought this was great. This is an insulated little backpack style canvas purse for $15, perfect for poolside. Now there is an entire other section in Popshelf of more pool accessories and floats, but I want to show you guys some of this decor. I cannot believe how good this is and at what prices they are. These leaning shelves have not only an easel, but they're $15 and they look so high end. They have this one for $12 that is a ladder style. These are the type of signs you'd see at places like Joann Fabric. I'm blown away that they have them here at such affordable prices, and I just love how tasteful they did their Patriotic decor. The first thing that caught my eye is this sign. It's huge. It's canvas, sort of a linen, $10. I think that's beautiful. That anywhere else would be easily $30. Now, if you're not in the market for something big, they have plenty of smaller options, some little tabletop decor for $2, $5. Now, this whole thing is $10 and it includes the floral and the tin vase it's in. I thought these were really cute for $5. So it comes in this version in the red, white, and blue. And then they've got the same version over here, but in a wood tone. Very pretty. Down here they've got some ceramic luminaries for putting candles in. I did like these for $6. So stripes on one side, stars on the other. Now I'm going to be totally honest, you guys know this is not a good deal. This is a $10 basically glassless IKEA lantern. Pick those up elsewhere. These I thought were really pretty and unique. They're ceramic candle holders in navy blue for $4. Down here they have a little standing piece of Patriotic decor for $3, sort of a birdhouse shape. They also have these frosted glass style vases for $5 with the beaded detail for $5 in blue and red. They have the metal standing star for $6. Down here some super cute Patriotic round pillows. Now those were $10 a piece. Pretty good size for those. I'm just so excited about their decor. I think they did an amazing job. So they have lots to choose from. I love that little You're My Firecracker for $5. They have some metal stars for $4, some small tabletop pieces for just $1, and then this piece that is $4. It does have a little kickstand on the back. This freedom sign I think is so pretty. It's only $3. I love all of their little pieces, but I gotta tell you what they did best this year, in my opinion, is the large pieces. They do have this, I'm gonna call it the Tommy Hilfiger frame for $4, which is a really nice frame. They also have some star-shaped candles for $5. Lots of little pieces. So this is sort of a Patriotic dice for $3. And then down below, they have some more luminaries. These have little punched tin detail for $5, and they come in red, white, and blue. Up here, they've got more pieces, but there's more to show you down here. I wanted to point out some of the other pillows they have for $10. I love the bandana look and this one in the wreath. Now, this is very denim to me for $7. It's a planter. They have more of that frosted glass. These are like glass containers or canisters for $8. They have the matching little bud vase for $2, and then these table decor pieces that are little star orbs, lots of little catch-all dishes, and then some mini signs for $3. So if you're doing tiered tray, those are really affordable. Now the little stars are also $3, but this piece I cannot believe was only $8. This is another one of the most amazing pieces. So it is so well done. It's got the acrylic front. It's $5. It's a good size. It's well made. I'm so impressed with Popshelf's Patriotic decor. Now over here on an end cap, I found even more super cute pieces. These little signs are $2. I could not make it for $2. They also had a really cute little lighthouse. It was metal for $8. That is so adorable. They also have some pinwheels for $5 and some more options over here. Now this stuff is definitely geared more to entertaining. They have some garden stakes for $4. That beats Walmart. This piece I was extremely tempted by, but I do have some stars that I can do this with. I think that'd be great hanging in the front area of your home. They have the little campers there as well. Those are $8. And then this tray, so cute, $12. It's a really good size. Now that's paper on the inside, so you might want to go ahead and protect that. Over here, you guys, this is such a good deal. So they have plenty of little vases, centerpieces. These are $5. Really nice ceramic or wood or metal containers full of floral. And this for $12. Are you kidding me? Gorgeous. They also have lots of stuff for party planning, like I said, entertaining. These are things that you could just put out for the day or have them out throughout the summer. Little banners and garlands. They do have some novelty items and lots of things for serving up your 4th of July feast. The first, I think this is really cute. So it's sort of a bottle cap style tiered tray, $12. It's white and navy blue. They also have some pretty nice, large, lightweight melamine serving dishes. So this is the bowl for $5. The blue tray was also $5. And this is the nicest cake platter I have seen in a long time. It is quite big for $8. They have a smaller version in blue for $4, and then they have the star dishes for $3. They also have a really cute little star basket. I think this one's a little overpriced. It'd be better at $5, and lots of things to serve up drinks and all kinds of silverware caddies. They also have a nacho platter plate and then some nice striped bowls down here for chips or anything else. They also have some ceramic pitchers in blue and a stripe for $8 and more utensil caddies. So if you love red, white, and blue any time of year, you may want to check out Popshelf or Dollar General. I just left Dollar General and I am finding a lot of the same items there as Popshelf. Now, this is an example. They do have coolers like this at my Dollar General, priced at the same price. So they do definitely have a carryover of certain stock items. This is priced really well. I checked on Amazon and that same cooler is somewhere in the 40s. So if you need a small cooler, you may want to check them out. They also have some gorgeous sort of, I'm going to say, tropical theme dishes. These bowls for $5. They have tons of mugs and all kinds of animal prints, and this that I think is a beautiful print for a salad plate for $3. Now they also have some gorgeous ceramic pieces. My only holdback on those were that they were not dishwasher safe, and so I like to stay away from things like that. They also have some gorgeous glassware. I love these bowls. Those were $4 in the green. They also have some cheetah print tumblers and this little plastic pineapple for $5 in the gold. That'd be great for any kind of entertaining, or even a catch-all tray. They have a really fun pineapple drink dispenser. Now this one is a plastic dispenser, but the pineapple portion is glass, and it is $16. It's on the smaller side, but just a fun little entertaining piece. They have some large trays, and I am in love with these baskets with the leather detail for $15. They also have some of these that I think would be great on a wall, although I think they're intended to be trays. Same with these. These I think are meant to be trays, but I can see these being places to stack maybe some salad plates and some dinner plates. They're really affordable. I think they're really nice looking. So this whole section had me wanting to spend way too much money. So I did have to sort of take a deep breath and walk away, because there's quite a few pieces over here catching my eye. They have these summer lanterns, luminaries for $10, and these trays are $12. They are wood, so they come in two versions, this one with the detail around the sides, and then this one that had sort of a basket weave effect in the middle. I also love this. It is a standing mirror, very modern. I love this look. $15, you cannot beat it. They have some cheetah vases and lots of things for the kitchen. Now this is such a great deal. I'm kicking myself because this is really what I should have brought home, and it is just a covered serving plate. You could do baked goods in this, but you wouldn't have to. You could put anything in here for $10. I think that this is so pretty. Now this is a raised pedestal serving tray, maybe for charcuterie. This was $15. This was in my basket at one point, but I did have to remember what I have at home. Now they also have these that are like little trivets in wood for $5. I really like the design on those. They also have these for $8, and it is a pair of salad tongs. Now over here on an end cap, they have more fun pieces. I love these melamine plates. They also have it in a pitcher for $10. Pretty small pitcher than this that is so fun for summer, keeping nice and cool. $18 on that. Over here, some more pieces catching my eye. They have some metal coffee tumblers with a handle. I think those are really nice. And this for $20, that is a marble pedestal. You could definitely use it for entertaining and putting food on. Now over here they have some more summer inspired items, lots of hanging pieces, super affordable, $3 to $4. They also have some glass votive holders in the blue, and then lots of seashell items like this little planter or vase for $5. So many fun options. This is where those wooden rings came from. They have the little perpetual calendar, and then this piece that I have seen here before for $10, as well as those large glass jugs. Those are gorgeous. Now I do want to cover this section. It is Fiesta fun and so bright and colorful, perfect for entertaining. Lots of glass pieces, but there's a few pieces in this collection that I think you're going to be really excited to be on the hunt for. Now, if you're looking for large, colorful pieces, they've got that as well. And these are only $8. I can't believe the price on their larger pieces. They're so affordable. Now, the parts that I was really excited about are ceramic. So over here, they do have some fun hanging pieces, but down here is what was catching my eye. So they have this vase with the two handles. It's really well done, $10. That other places would be easily $20. They also have this really nice luminary that is only $10, and I love the look of this pot. Now it has the tassels on it, but you could easily remove that if that's not your jam for $6. Down here, some more glass ceramic pieces, really modern and so affordable. So whether you are into the colorful, entertaining look for summer, or you're looking for some neutral pieces, I would say check out Popshelf. If not, check out your Dollar General. I have to tell you guys, I'm so impressed with Popshelf and Dollar General's home decor. I think they blew it out of the water this year for summer. Thank you so much for shopping with me, and I'll see you back very soon.